Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the rural community of Windsor Forest, Darliston, Westmoreland, is this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale that sits on 2 acres of gently sloping land. The floor space is 2,347 square feet. The house is fully grilled. There is a spacious kitchen, living and dining area, and it also comes with electronic garage. The house was built in recent years and sits towards the rear of the property. The land is currently used for cattle farming in sections. It awaits the homeowner who wants peaceful living in a quiet area with the amenity of a large acreage to utilize at will. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.